एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरभव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप। आदि सच जुगादि सच है भी सच, नानक होसी भी सच। आदि सच जुगादि सच है भी सच, नानक होसी भी सच। Yesterday a letter arrived from America in which the writer asks that how come the relationship of marriage becomes stale or not that attractive sometime after the marriage. And I said that not only the marriage relationship, but every relationship, when we become careless about that relationship, then that relationship starts withering, becoming stale, and that relationship, which was so attractive one day, starts becoming a burden. This happens without failure as long as we live out of our minds. But Maharaj Ji shows us the way to live beyond the territory of mind in God's land, where every relationship remains freshest, every relationship, irrespective of the age of the relationship. Every person feels like a flower. Every person's personality feels very pleasant. So the key to keep celebrating the beauty of life is to remain beyond the mind. Maharaj Ji says, Gur kunji bahu nival man kotha tan shat. Nanak gur bin tak na utre ugde, avar na kunji hat. Maharaj Ji says that nobody else can open the door to the mind and transform our consciousness to its originality, the truth, the divine light. So Guru is must in our life so that he can open our minds, cleanse them, and make us realize that this always was the divine light. Maharaj Ji says that the mind is like a room which is covered, which has a roof. And Guru is the key to the door to the mind. Guru is the key. Guru is the key. Gur Kunji. Guru opens the door to our mind, cleanses it. The point in between the eyebrows, that is the door to the mind. And the room of the mind is covered with our head. It cannot go on the roof. And when we focus in between the eyebrows, so it's very important that we let Maharaj-ji, make him open the door to our minds and make us or transform us. As we were talking about that yesterday, this boy from the village gave me a book. The name of the book was My Unforgettable Memories in Punjabi. I read that book and it was so attractive, the way the writer had written every line was so mesmerizing. And I felt like reading it and keep reading it. I read that book 2-3 times. And I felt that Sardar Gurbakh Singh had a very tender, very loving personality. And I wished so intensely to see him, to see his picture, to see his face. But there was no picture of his in the book. Sardar Gurbakh Singh Ji, he did his engineering from Roorkee College in India, in Haryana now. And then God made it possible for them to go to America. And there he did Masters of Engineering in the University of Michigan at Ann Arbor, Michigan. After that he came back to India and bought a land which was not very productive land agriculturally. And a village was erected there. The name of the village he named Preetnagar, City of Love. India was undivided at that time, and in 1947 that place was so near to the border that it did not really flourish for a long time. Right, ever since I remember that I used to look at the faces of others. I was extremely shy. And the faces which were gentle, tender, they were so attractive to me. I loved those faces, those personalities. Teachers usually, at that time, most of the teachers would remain very serious. But whenever we had a teacher who could smile or laugh or make the children laugh, to me that person was a very gentle person. And from there, I feel my attitude towards life starts becoming. Gur miliye har man vase, ਗੁਰ ਮਿਲਿਏ ਹਰ ਮਨ ਵਸੈ, ਫਿਰ ਭਉ ਕਦੇ ਨਾ ਹੋਏ। ਨਾਨਕ ਆਪੇ ਹੀ ਪਤ ਰਖਸੀ, ਕਾਰਜ ਸਵਾਰੇ ਸੋਏ। ਆਪਾਂ ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ। ਤੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਕਰ। ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਰੱਖਾਂਗੇ। ਰੱਬ ਰੱਖਾ। May God protect you and protect your honor. Bye.